Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So in no time, I am now in Lombok. I'm actually traveling from Bali to Lombok via boat, via Blue Water Express. So I'm going to talk about the experience in another video because that's interesting. So I'm here for the weekend in between meetings and conference in different cities. It's my first time in Lombok, and that's the reason why I choose to explore Lombok for my weekend here. So as a Marriott Bonvoy member and my first time, I choose to stay at the Sheraton, which is at a very convenient location. And I use my Suite 9 award to upgrade to an executive suite from the ocean view room. So actually, after upgrade, I did not get the ocean view directly, but that's okay. I get the executive suite. So I'm going to give you a quick room tour. So this is the entrance. This is the door. Just came in, and then they don't have coffee machine, but they do have the kettle for tea and coffee or chocolate and such. They have spring water, and then let's check out what they have. Okay, they have a mini fridge, but not a stock mini bar. And then this is the dining table, comfortably fit 3 person. And a nice welcome fruit basket, which I love fruit, so that's perfect for me. And then this is the living room area with the TV. So quite spacious as the executive suite. So they have a long balcony, so I'm going to go out and take a look. Okay, so the balcony has 2 chairs and also 1 bench that you can sit here. And then what it is facing is actually the swimming pool and the courtyard. So the ocean is actually on that side. So initially, if I book an ocean view room, I should have more view of the ocean. But since I'm upgraded to the executive suite, this is what I have. That's the view that I have, which is okay, which is quite nice as well. Okay, so as I say, I got a long balcony that extends right from the living room, the dining room, into the bedroom over there. So let me walk back in. It's October, it's still humid and hot in Bali. Oh, sorry, in Lombok, in Indonesia. So getting back in the air conditioning room. Okay, so this is the bedroom. Quite comfy. I always like the thick mattress and the pillow and the linen. Even it is a Sheraton, not the luxury 5-star. It got what it has for a comfortable stay here in Lombok. And then this is the wardrobe. They do have the bathrobes, and then safe deposit box, and 2 pair of slippers, iron board, and an extra pillow. Okay, going into the bathroom, they do have the bathtub, a single sink, that's the toilet, as well as the stand-up shower, not a rain shower, but a stand-up shower. And the amenities that they are using. So as I say, it's a Sheraton. It's a very comfortable stay for the executive suite with the space and everything with the view. So I am spending the weekend here in between my meetings in Bali and my conference in Singapore next week. I'm going to go to the spa and then try the restaurant. So stay tuned, continue on with this video and you will see more.